Snuck out on ya, huh? Snuck out on ya, huh? Snuck out on ya, huh?
Could you tell me what he said? Snuck out on you. Let's suppose your daughter went out without telling you, and when you call her friend to ask where she is, her friend says, she snuck out on you. We use this phrase when someone leaves secretly, usually because they don't want to be noticed, stopped, or get permission.
Think you're pretty funny, don't you, freak? Think you're pretty funny, don't you, freak? Think you're pretty funny, don't you, freak?
Could you tell me what he said? Think you're pretty funny, don't you, freak? Let's suppose someone makes a joke or mocks another person, trying to be clever or funny, but the other person feels insulted or angry. That angry person might say, think you're pretty funny, don't you, freak? It means, you think you're smart or funny, but you're not, you're being rude or foolish. We use this phrase in angry or confrontational situations, usually when someone feels disrespected or teased. It's meant to challenge or insult the person who is joking.
Bugger! Bugger! Bugger!
Could you tell me what he said? Oh bugger. Let's suppose you drop your phone, spill coffee, or forget something important, you might quickly say, bugger. We use this phrase, mostly in British or Australian English, to show mild annoyance, frustration, or surprise. It's similar to saying oh no, or damn it, in American English, but it sounds a bit softer and more playful.
Quite an entrance, quite an entrance, quite an entrance.
Could you tell me what she said? Quite an entrance. Let's suppose someone walks into a room dramatically, maybe they trip, drop something, or everyone suddenly looks at them. You might say, quite an entrance. It means, you entered in a big or attention-grabbing way. We use this phrase when someone enters a place in a noticeable, surprising, or memorable way, sometimes funny, sometimes impressive. It can be said seriously or sarcastically. Actors often make big or stylish entrances. For example, if a character walks in confidently wearing something striking, another character might say, quite an entrance. It shows impressed or playful admiration.
To the wise, age matters very little. To the wise, age matters very little. To the wise, age matters very little.
Could you tell me what she said? To the wise, age matters very little. It means, true wisdom is about insight and understanding, not age. Let's suppose a young person gives deep advice or shows great understanding, and someone older looks surprised. You can say, age matters very little. We use this phrase when we want to say that wisdom doesn't depend on how old someone is. It means a truly wise person values knowledge and understanding, not age or years of experience. So, even a younger person can be wise, and even an older person can still learn.
Wise, age matters very little.
Kevin, you're such a disease. Kevin, you're such a disease. Kevin, you're such a disease.
Could you tell me what he said? Kevin, you are such a disease. It means, you're extremely irritating or troublesome, your behavior is like a disease. Let's suppose you're arguing with your friend Kevin because he keeps doing things that bother you, interrupting you, making jokes at your expense, and refusing to listen. In frustration you might say, you are such a disease. Here you're using disease as an insult. You're saying his behavior is annoying, constant, and troublesome, like a problem you can't get rid of.
It's just nuts. It's just nuts. It's just nuts.
Could you tell me what she said? It's just nuts. It means, it's crazy, it's unbelievable, or it's out of control. Imagine your teacher is explaining class, when someone says it's just nuts, they're not talking about real nuts like almonds or peanuts. They mean something is crazy, unbelievable, or out of control. So if something surprising, chaotic, or shocking happens, you can say, it's just nuts.
I hope I never see any jerks again. I hope I never see any jerks again. I hope I never see any jerks again.
Could you tell me what he said? I hope I never see any jerks. It means never want to meet rude, arrogant, or annoying people again. Let's suppose you just had to deal with some rude, mean, or disrespectful people. Maybe they insulted you, acted arrogant, or ruined your mood. After that bad experience, you walk away and say, I hope I never see any jerks. Here, you're expressing strong dislike or frustration toward those kinds of people. You're saying you never want to meet such rude or unpleasant people again.
I hope I never see any jerks again.
It's time now to turn this mush into muscles. It's time now to turn this mush into muscles. It's time now to turn this mush into muscles.
Could you tell me what he said? It's time now to turn this mush into muscles. It means it's time to get rid of body fat and build muscles to become fit, strong, and healthy. Let's suppose someone looks at themselves in the mirror and realizes they've gained some fat or lost muscle strength. They decide to start working out seriously and say, Time now to turn this mush into muscles. Here, mush means soft, flabby body or fat, and the phrase shows determination to get fit and strong through exercise.
You're very good deputies. You're very good deputies. You're very good deputies.
Could you tell me what he said? You are very good deputies. It means you are reliable and trustworthy helpers who do your duties well. Let's suppose a leader, boss, or sheriff is talking to their team after they've done a great job helping or supporting him. Proudly, he says, "You are very good deputies." Here, deputies means assistants or helpers, people who support and act on behalf of someone in charge. The speaker is praising them for being loyal, capable, and responsible.
I don't think we're quite at your pitch yet. I don't think we're quite at your pitch yet. I don't think we're quite at your pitch yet.
Could you tell me what he said? We are not at your pitch yet. Let's suppose someone is more advanced, skilled, or emotionally ready than others. You might say, we are not at your pitch yet. It means we're not on your level or not fully in sync with you yet. Here, pitch means the level. It means we haven't reached your level or state yet, whether emotionally or in terms of progress.
Playing chicken with the oncoming traffic, playing chicken with the oncoming traffic, playing chicken with the oncoming traffic.
Could you tell me what she said? Playing chicken with traffic. Let's suppose someone is crossing a busy road carelessly or driving straight toward oncoming cars just to show off or test their courage, or two big companies are competing to sell similar products, and both keep lowering their prices to attract more customers. Neither company wants to stop, even though they're both losing money. In this situation, you can say, he's playing chicken with traffic. Here, playing chicken means taking a dangerous risk to see who will back down first, like in a dare. So, playing chicken with traffic literally means risking your life by facing cars head-on or not moving out of the way, just to act brave or reckless. This phrase usually has a negative or critical tone. It's used to describe reckless, risky, or attention-seeking behavior, not something smart or brave.
How about we share a ride? How about we share a ride? How about we share a ride?
Could you tell me what he said? How about we share a ride? Let's suppose you and your friend are going to the same place, like work, school, or an event, and you both want to save time or money. You can say, how about we share a ride? It means let's travel together in one vehicle, or go through the same experience together. Here, share a ride means travel together in one car or vehicle instead of going separately. Figuratively, this phrase can also be used in a friendly or cooperative sense, meaning let's go through something together, like share the journey or face a situation side by side.
Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow.
Could you tell me what he said? Holy cow. Let's suppose you suddenly see or hear something shocking, surprising, or amazing, like your friend shows you their brand new car, or you find out someone won the lottery. You can say, holy cow. It means wow, that's surprising. Or I can't believe it. Here, holy cow is just a mild exclamation people use to express surprise, amazement, or disbelief. It doesn't have any religious meaning, it's simply a soft, funny way to react without using rude words.
I'll kick your ass.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Could you tell me what he said? I'll kick your ass. Let's suppose someone just insulted you, pushed you, or threatened you, and you're furious and ready to fight. In that heat you might snap and shout, I'll kick your ass. It means I will physically hurt you, a serious, aggressive threat. Here you're making a direct threat of physical violence, telling the other person you will beat them up.
But this is not Lord of the Flies. But this is not Lord of the Flies. But this is not Lord of the Flies.
Could you tell me what she said? This is not Lord of the Flies. It means this isn't a place for chaos or savage behavior, act like civilized people. Let's suppose a group of people, maybe co-workers or friends, start acting chaotic, yelling, blaming, or losing all manners after a small disagreement. Someone might step in and say, this is not Lord of the Flies. It means this isn't a place for chaos or savage behavior, act like civilized people. You use this when you want to remind people this isn't a lawless, savage situation, stop behaving like society has broken down. It's a quick way to call out childish, violent, or wildly uncontrolled behavior.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Could you tell me what he said? What the hell? Let's suppose something unexpected or confusing happens, like your friend suddenly quits his job, or you open your door and find your dog wearing sunglasses. You might say, what the hell? It means what is going on, or why did that happen? Said with surprise or anger. Here, what the hell is used to show shock, confusion, or frustration. It's an emotional reaction, not a real question.
Who's the dead man that hit me with the salt shaker? Who's the dead man that hit me with the salt shaker? Who's the dead man then hit me with the salt shaker.
Could you tell me what he said? Who's the dead man that hit me with the salt shaker? Let's suppose you're suddenly shoved or someone throws something at you in a crowded place. Shocked and angry, you spin around and shout, "Who's the dead man?" It means who did that? That person is in serious trouble. Here, dead man is not literal, it's a dramatic, threatening way to call someone out. You're demanding to know who did it and warning them you're serious. It's often used in tense, confrontational moments. If this video has taught you something new, please like and subscribe.